Welcome, dear friends. I'm so glad you're here, because today we're talking about a delicious treat that can make a real difference in your health after 60. Mango. Yes, that sweet, golden fruit you've enjoyed since childhood can still be a star on your plate, if you eat it in moderation. In this video, we'll explore why mango is so special for your eye health and immunity, how to enjoy it without spiking your blood sugar, and simple ways to include it in your daily routine. Stick with me. You'll discover easy, practical tips you can start using right away. Imagine slicing into a ripe mango, the vibrant orange flesh, the sweet aroma, the burst of flavor in every bite. Not only is that experience joyful, it's also nourishing. Mangoes are packed with nutrients that seniors often need more of, yet may not always get enough, from vitamins A and C to powerful antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein. These nutrients work together to protect your eyes, strengthen your immune system, and even fight off inflammation. But here's the key: moderation. Because mango is naturally sweet, it contains sugar that can raise your blood glucose if you overdo it. We'll talk about just how much mango is the sweet spot for your health. First, let's dive into eye health. As we age, our eyes become more vulnerable to conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Research shows that vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, helping your eyes adjust to light changes and preventing dryness. 1 cup of fresh mango delivers about 25% of your daily vitamin A needs. Plus, those antioxidants I mentioned, zeaxanthin and lutein, act like sunglasses for your retina, filtering out harmful blue light and reducing oxidative stress. Picture them forming a protective shield around your eyes every time you enjoy a bite of mango. It's an effortless way to give your vision some extra love, especially if you spend time reading, crafting, or simply taking in the beauty of the world around you. Now, let's turn to immunity. Your immune system naturally weakens as you grow older, making you more susceptible to infections and slower to recover. Mangoes are a fantastic source of vitamin C, providing nearly 60% of what you need in just 1 cup. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells and acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that can damage your cells. When you include mango in your diet, you're giving your body tools to fight off colds, support wound healing, and keep your energy levels steady. Think of it as a sweet booster shot, delivered in each juicy slice. Of course, we don't want mango to send our blood sugar soaring. That's why moderation matters. A typical serving, about half a cup of diced mango, is enough to reap those eye and immune-supporting benefits without overloading on sugar. Pairing mango with a handful of nuts, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, or mixing it into a green salad helps slow digestion and steadies your glucose response. You can even swap a sugary dessert for a small bowl of mango topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor and blood sugar control. You're amazing for listening all the way through. I truly believe you're someone who cares deeply about your health. Now that we've covered how mango supports your eyes and your immunity, let's move on to exploring smart, simple ways to enjoy this tropical treat safely and deliciously in our next segment. Now that we've explored how mango can protect your vision and strengthen your immunity, let's talk about creative, everyday ways to enjoy this tropical delight without overdoing the sugar. I promise these ideas are simple, delicious, and perfectly portioned for life after 60. One of my favorite go-to treats is a morning mango smoothie. Start with half a cup of frozen mango chunks, add a splash of unsweetened almond milk or low-fat yogurt, and toss in a handful of spinach for extra fiber. Blend until creamy, and you've got a bright, filling breakfast that won't spike your blood sugar. The fiber from the spinach and protein from the yogurt slow down digestion, so the natural sugars in the mango fuel you gently, keeping you satisfied through your morning walk or gardening routine. You can even sprinkle a few chia seeds on top for omega-3s and an extra dose of antioxidants. If smoothies aren't your style, try tossing diced mango into your lunchtime salad. Imagine crisp greens, juicy mango pieces, a few toasted almonds, and just a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Every bite offers a balance of sweet, tangy, and crunchy textures that make eating greens feel like a treat. The healthy fats in the olive oil help your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in mango, so you maximize every bit of vitamin A and those eye-protective antioxidants. It's a gorgeous, colorful plate that supports digestion and keeps your energy steady until dinner. When you're craving something more savory, mango salsa is a game-changer. Mix half a cup of finely chopped mango with a quarter cup of red onion, a small handful of cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Enjoy it alongside grilled fish, roasted chicken, or even as a topping for avocado toast. The acidity of the lime and the freshness of the cilantro play beautifully with mango's sweetness, while the onion adds a gentle kick. Portion out about 2 tablespoons per serving to keep the sugar in check, and marvel at how such a small spoonful can light up your meal and your mood. For a cozy afternoon snack, try mango with cottage cheese or ricotta. Scoop 2 tablespoons of cheese into a small bowl, top with a few mango cubes, and dust lightly with cinnamon. The creamy cheese offers protein and calcium, while the cinnamon helps moderate your blood sugar response. It's an elegant, yet low-effort snack that feels a bit indulgent, perfect for curling up with a good book or catching up with a friend over tea. You're doing an incredible job of caring for your health by exploring these tasty mango ideas. In our next segment, we'll explore delightful mango dessert swaps that satisfy your sweet tooth and keep your wellness goals right on track. You're amazing for sticking with me. I can't wait to share more simple, joyful ways to make mango a part of your healthy routine. And here we are, friends, at the final stretch of our mango journey. We've already explored how mango supports your eyes and immunity, and enjoyed it in smoothies, salads, salsas, and cozy cheese snacks. Now, let's satisfy your sweet tooth with dessert swaps that keep your health goals front and center. Picture this. On a warm afternoon, you pop a couple of small mango and yogurt popsicles you made yourself. Just blend a 1/4 cup of mango with a tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt, pour into mini molds, and freeze. When you bite into one, you get that familiar tropical sweetness, balanced by creamy tang, all without the refined sugar of store-bought treats. Or imagine slicing mango, brushing each piece with a whisper of honey and a sprinkle of fresh mint, then briefly grilling until those edges caramelize. Serve it warm, maybe with a dollop of ricotta, and you have a sophisticated dessert that feels indulgent but stays gentle on your blood sugar. The natural sugars in mango intensify, while the mint adds a refreshing lift and the heat brings out new layers of flavor. If you crave something even cozier, try mango chia pudding. Combine 1/2 cup of coconut milk with a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, stir in diced mango, and let it rest in the fridge for a few hours. By evening, you'll have a pudding that's silky, nutrient-packed, and perfectly portioned. Chia seeds bring omega-3s and fiber to the party, helping to steady your glucose and keep you full until bedtime. As we wrap up, remember the magic of mango comes from enjoying it wisely, 1/2 cup at a time, paired with protein, healthy fats, or fiber. These little swaps transform ordinary snacks and desserts into nourishing moments that support your vision, boost your immunity, and delight your senses. I believe small, joyful changes can make a huge difference in your health after 60. I'd love to hear which mango idea you'll try first. Share your favorite recipes or questions in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, effective tips. Here's to living your healthiest, happiest life with a touch of mango magic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, leave a comment with your favorite mango tip, and let us know what topic to cover next.